Welcome to my channel. Why your printer won't accept a new cartridge, how to fix it. Step 1. Check cartridge compatibility. Make sure the new cartridge is the correct model for your printer. Using the wrong cartridge can prevent the printer from recognizing it. Step 2. Remove all protective tape. New cartridges often come with plastic covers or protective tape. Remove all packaging before installing the cartridge. Step 3. Reinstall the cartridge. Take the cartridge out and insert it again until it clicks into place. A loose cartridge may not be detected. Step 4. Clean the cartridge contacts. Turn off the printer and gently clean the gold or copper contacts on the cartridge with a soft, lint-free cloth. Dirty contacts can block communication. Step 5. Clean the printer contacts. Check the contacts inside the printer where the cartridge sits. Carefully wipe away dust or ink buildup using a dry, soft cloth. Step 6. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, unplug it for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This refreshes the printer's memory. Step 7. Update printer firmware. If your printer supports updates, install the latest firmware. Firmware updates can fix cartridge recognition issues and improve compatibility. Step 8. Reset the printer. Use the printer's reset option or follow the reset instructions for your printer model. A reset can clear temporary cartridge errors. Step 9. Try another new cartridge. If possible, install a different new cartridge. The first cartridge may be defective even if it's brand new. Thanks for watching.